In this section, I'll provide you with the basic building blocks of Redux. We'll not be doing any coding in this section, and it's because, as mentioned, Redux is a standalone library. You can write only Redux code without any front-end framework, and this is not what we're going to do. We're going to be using Redux with React, and to make them work together, we'll actually use a third library called React Redux. And this may seem confusing, but React Redux is a library separate from both the React and Redux. And this library has its own docs on its own website. It's completely separate. But unlike the React and Redux library, the React Redux library has only one function and can't be used independently. And its only purpose is to hook up React with Redux and allow you to use both React and Redux separately. We will use this third library called React Redux to write the actual code and build the app. And since we're using that library, we won't be writing any pure Redux code. So therefore, to avoid any confusion, I won't be doing any Redux coding. We'll just start off with React Redux. If you're curious though, I highly recommend visiting the Redux docs. So, if I were to teach Redux code here, you'd basically have to unlearn it immediately after you just learned it, and then use the React Redux code. There is some overlap, but you're better off just starting with the React Redux side. And in the following sections, I'll be showing you snippets of code. Don't worry about the exact syntax of the code. Instead, just use the code to help you understand Redux better conceptually. And here I've included a table that shows you how to read and update the state in these three separate libraries. If you're ever confused, just refer back to this diagram.